Hi everybody, today Christy and I are going to share with you how to share your screen with audio and how to use breakout rooms in Microsoft Teams. So to share your screen with audio, you're going to come up to your toolbar and you're going to hit the share tray. You're going to select computer audio or computer sound. It might appear differently on your end. And then the screen you wish to share. You'll then select the video and press play. Christy, can you hear that?
Yeah.
Perfect. And that's always a good indicator to have like a person to check with, but that's how you share your screen audio, and then you can come up to your share tray and deselect it, and that's how you share your screen with audio. To use breakout rooms, you'll want to come up to your toolbar and you'll select this breakout room icon. Now if you're not seeing that breakout room icon, it might be for one of two reasons. It could be that you need to re-download the Teams app. So if you're working on a personal device, you'll just go into Teams and download the most recent update. If you're working on a support device, you may have to restart your computer and it might reinstall, or you might need to submit a help desk ticket. So once you select breakout rooms, you'll see here that you can select how many rooms that you need, and you can automatically place participants into rooms randomly. Alternatively, you can hit manual and you can select which individuals you'd like to submit to which breakout room, and that's great for strategic placement. So for today, I'm going to do an automatic breakout room with one room, since there's only one participant with myself in this meeting. So I'm going to hit create room. You'll see the rooms are being created, and Chrissy's going to be put into room 1. You can add a room at any time, and then you'll hit start room. So Christy, I'm going to put you into your room now. And it's just going to show on our end that it's opening, and the participants are automatically moved over to the breakout room. As the educator, you can then join breakout rooms and kind of toggle between each of them. Just give it a second. And then, so now the room's open, and you'll see I'm by myself. I'm going to go join Christy. Hi Christy, how are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm good, thanks. Okay, so Christy, I'm going to try closing this breakout room and having us return back to the main room, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. So I hit return, but you'll notice that I'm the only one who's returned to the meeting. So to get Christy back with us, we're going to hit close room. This should bring Christy back. If not, we can always have her join us. Hi, Christy.
Hi.
Did it bring you right back to us?
Yeah, it just had a 10-second, it would go back to 10 seconds, and then automatically put you back.
Perfect. Okay, so that's how we use breakout rooms. We hope you found this tutorial helpful, and bye for now.